Hello, 7th grade. Today, inshallah, we're going to start with Unit 6. So, before I start with our unit, I want you to know more information about the text genre. So, as you see here, our text genre, نوع النص, we are going to read about it's a description of a character. The story is Mr. Duffy workshop. So, as you see here, a descriptive story هي القصة الوصفية mean the primary purpose which mean الهدف الأساسي from this story is a descriptive story وصفية. How to describe what a person, place, things. This story focuses on what? How to describe person, places, things in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. بتهتم وصف دقيق to describe in details to person لشخص or place or thing or شيء. And this description formed in the reader's mind. بيحاول الرايتر to form the picture in your mind. form تشكيل الصورة في عقل القارئ. So, a Duffy or Duffy's workshop, this is the title of our story. هذا عنوان القصة. It is Duffy's workshop. معمل السيد Duffy involves paying close attention to details by using all of your five senses. When we are going to read, you will note that thing. Pay attention اللي هو التركيز وجذب اهتمامك to the details للتفاصيل by using all of your five senses. You will use the five senses in order to form the picture in your mind. راح تستعمل يا مس ال five senses اللي هم الحواس الخمس in order to what? Form the picture in your mind. تشكيل الصورة in your mind في عقلك. Okay? Yes. Let's continue. Now, elements of a story. So, as you know, when I say story, we have what? Elements, عناصر القصة. Elements of a story. Elements that should be in any story. Okay? Number 1, characters. Characters which mean the people in a story. الشخصيات في القصة. People in story. This is number 1. Number 2, setting. Setting mean the time and the place of the story. الوقت والمكان. So, when and where. The time and place a story takes place. So, I can ask about it by when and where. متى وأين حدثت القصة. Next, plot. Plot which mean الحبكة. A series of events that make up a story. هو تسلسل events الأحداث that makes what? A story. Lastly, conflict. Conflict mean الصراع or الحبكة. A problem or struggle between people. Okay? Let's continue. As you see here, characters in Mr. Duffy workshop. Characters, we are going to know about them in this story, Mr. Duffy workshop. This is the title of our story. And here are the characters that you will find it in the story. Number 1, grandfather. This is the first character which mean people who act in the story. Okay? Number 1, grandfather. Number 2, George. 3, Sally. 4, Mr. Duffy. 5, Mrs. Duffy. Okay, let's continue. So, you have to prepare the lesson very well, and you can find the most important meaning in these boxes. So I want you to prepare the lesson very well in order to help yourself and help me to form the picture to enjoy in our lesson and to imagine the situation and the workshop of Mr. Duffy. Okay, as you see here, you need to know what is the meaning of workshop. Sorry. Okay, you have to know what is the meaning of workshop. Neat, fine, pointed, broad, clean but well used. Yes, you have to study the vocabulary from the worksheet. I'm going to send the worksheet in order to help you to prepare the lesson very well. So don't forget, prepare well, you can do it. Okay, this is a brief summary about the text genre of our lesson. So I want you to read more about the story and the elements of the story. Okay? See you in live lesson. Bye bye, 7th grade.